Hey guys, this is Oren with zzBots. In this video, I'll show you how to create a list. Lists can be used as a custom database that you can personalize for your business or personal needs. You can use your lists to organize your data as well as for use with your bots. The first step is to click on Add a New List. Here you can start from scratch, choose a template, or import a list. What we'll do in this example is start from scratch. In this example, we're going to make a list for tasks. So I'm going to name it tasks, and it will ask you for the singular name of your list. So I'm going to put in task. To search an icon, I'll simply go to the search bar and put in task, which will bring up these options. And I'm going to use this icon for this list. So you'll go to next, which will bring you here to add new fields. We'll create a new field by clicking here. And for the field name, I'm going to put in description. And for the field type, I'm going to put in text multi-line, which means I can put in multiple lines of text to describe my task. Searchable means when we search in zzBots, it will come up as a result. My second field will be called status. This will show me the status of my tasks. The field type will be drop down. So I'll go to the field type and I'll come down to drop down. And here each new line will be a new drop down option. I'm going to add 3 options. Not started, in progress, and complete. The third field will be assigned to, meaning that this task will be assigned to a specific user in this workspace. The field type here will be user, meaning that I can put in a specific user that will be assigned to the task. After I've done this, I'll click done. And so now my list will be on my home screen. So I'll click on tasks. And now I can create a new task by typing in the name. And for this example, we're going to put create a video. In the description, I'll put create a video for zzBots. And in the status, I'm going to put in progress because I'm currently doing this. And assigned to, I'll put me as the user that this will be assigned to. And now we'll save it. And so now we have this task in our list. Now I'll create a few more example tasks with various statuses for this list. Now let's customize how you see your tasks. Click on the drop-down arrow here by tasks. Let's go through the options. Let's start with columns. You can show the default system fields, or you can show the fields that you've created for your list. In column sequence, you can rearrange the order of your columns. So let's choose to show the fields of status and assigned to so that we can see the status of our lists as well as the users that they have been assigned to. You can see now in the tasks that both the status and who the task is assigned to is shown. So in this case, I am assigned to 4 of these 6 tasks, but the other 2 tasks have no users assigned to them. Sorting and grouping allows you to manage and rearrange how you see the records in a list. For example, you can group the tasks based on status. So I'll go to status and click on group by. You can see now that all of these tasks are grouped by their status. Manage views allows us to create additional views of this list. Each view has its own sorting, grouping, filtering, and visible columns. Your views will be visible in the drop-down menu, but you can also show views as tabs by checking the Show Tab checkbox. We will create 3 views with tabs for this list. We'll create Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Click New View, and we'll create the name for all 3. So we'll click on New View, which will take us here, and we'll name the first one Not Started. And then we'll do the same thing for In Progress and Completed. We can make each of these a separate tab by clicking on Show Tab. Currently, every tab I've created has no filters or sorting set up yet. So if I click on every one, there'll be no difference. So what we'll do is we'll create some filters. When you modify the filter, it only applies to the specific view that we have currently opened. We'll add filters for each tab separately. So we'll start with Not Started. We'll go into Tasks, into Filters. And here we can go to Status equals Not Started. And this will make it so that all tasks that are not started will appear in this tab. And then we'll do the same thing for In Progress and Completed. So now we can see that each tab is specific to its status. In this video, we created a list and customized the views for sorting and filtering the data. Please check out our other videos to see how zzBots can best help you.